Hey guys, what's going on? Now this is a Ford F-150. It's a '05 model, but a lot of these pickup trucks are the same. And one of the tail lights is out, so let's go ahead and get that changed. The one that's actually out is on the driver's side, but I've already taken it apart, and I'm gonna show you or tell you what you have to do in order to get it out. You got one 8mm bolt right here. You have another at the bottom. So first thing you do is take those out. And as you can see, I have these two already out. Okay. Next thing you want to do is get some sort of a pry tool and start prying up here and down here. Now do it gently because keep in mind this is plastic. You don't want to break anything. But essentially you just want to somehow grab it from back here, and as you're prying on this edge, you're going to pull it straight out. Okay. Now it's going to put up a fight, but eventually it'll come out. Then you got two connectors inside of here. Just want to press the tabs and slide them off. Same thing for the bottom one. Okay. Now the tail light is completely free to come off. And in my case, the bulb that's burnt out is this one. So in order to get that off, you just turn it counterclockwise. And then you pull it straight out. And now you're free to change the bulbs. When you're changing bulbs, try not to actually touch the bulb itself with your fingers, because the oil left on your fingers can cause a premature failure on the bulb. So if you do manage to touch the new bulb, make sure you clean it off before you put everything back together. And installation is reverse of removal, and that's how easy it is. So I hope you like my video, subscribe, and thanks for watching.